Hey, this is Danny from Reward Flooring. I'm here in Gallaher's beautiful San Jose, California showroom. I'm here to talk about the Reward Costa Collection. This is our #1 selling hardwood collection. It's pre-finished engineered, 7.5 inches wide. It has a very subtle hand scrape, just enough to break up the light with a little bit of chatter here and there, but not a super rustic hand scrape. It's subtle, beautiful. Really nice colors. Most of these colors are achieved through smoking the oak first, which helps tone down the natural pinks and yellows in the wood for more neutral hues. We've got some nice grays, naturals, some taupe colors, subtle colors too. These are very well executed with some of the most advanced finishing techniques that are out there. And the product is also thick at 5/8 with a 4mm wear layer. Good solid construction, but it is well priced for what you get. It's one of the best values, if not the best value in the hardwood flooring industry, in my opinion. The Reward Costa Collection. Check it out.